Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are in good health. This time we will discuss the 1971 Honda C70125cc motorbike which has been re-modified. Let's look at the specifications. Due to the high response, Honda in 1966 released the Honda C70 series with an engine capacity of 70 cc. In Indonesia, the Honda C70 began production in 1971. At that time, this Honda was given the nickname Honda C Pitung, which comes from Javanese, Pitungkulo, or 70.